What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we got another install video on a Road King special. I'm putting new handlebars on, get rid of those weird stock ones with the wrist angle is all weird. So let's get to work. Oh gee. For those of you that don't know me, my name is John Maxwell. I'm a highly trained unprofessional right here at Chattahoochee Harley-Davidson. On this channel, I bring you guys to work with me. So if you want to learn more about Harley-Davidson, you should probably hit the subscribe button right now. So I get asked a lot when you have to change lines, like what height, and for the 14 and later touring, that is 12 inches. So we don't have to change hydraulic lines, but we do have to extend the electrical wiring harness, which is a pretty simple plug and play kit that Harley sells. A bunch of different distributors offer it. Actually, Harley's version is a couple of dollars cheaper than all the other ones. All right, it's absolutely freezing outside. Let's get to work. First thing I gotta do is unplug all the electrical, but I gotta be able to get to it. Now that all that's out of there, I can reach the connectors and we'll carry on to tearing this thing apart. I gotta change the risers on this bike, and there's no real great way to do it, but this is the best way I found. Rob, you busy?
Wait.
I need an adult. These bars and risers have to come off of this bike.
Okay.
So, I have to get to the riser bolts, which is down here, so I gotta turn the wheel back and forth, but all this stuff is gonna try to fall down while I'm doing it, so I need you to not break anything. Alright, just hold them down. Hold it all down nice and neat. They have good markings on them. Set that over there.
Scorcher got really black, man. Holy
Alright, go up.
Yeah, those U-rotors are toast.
Very nice. Yes.
Just like it was supposed to come out.
The most important part of handlebar jobs is the prep work. So, let's get going.
burning out, guys.
Woo! Woo!
I work out.
Getting hot in here. Jesus.
Oh, look how smooth that is now. Oh, you guys can't see it inside of frame, but that was easy.
You know you put the wrong one on that side, right?
Shut your mouth. It's a common handlebar joke. Don't do it. Don't put the left side switches on the right side of the bar.
It's only a joke because it happened.
Okay.
So the reason why I'm even doing all this is because the customer's dead set on having a bar that steps down to 1 inch. That's the dimensions he liked. So they do make a riser kit to handle a 1 inch bar, since the stock risers on our Road King Special, only the Special, are 1 1/4 inch. So, back to it. I should probably add, I put the top clamp on so that the bottom riser where the bolt's threading into can't spin around. The top clamp will hold it all together for me.
And I'm done, guys.
Now you start with the left grip because it's keyed to fit in that switch. This has a ton of splines on it, so it can face whatever way you want as far as the emblem goes. So I do this one first so I know how it's gonna have to sit to match that side. Lunchtime. All right, now I'm pretty much as fat and lazy, but I guess we should probably finish up this job. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up everything, sit on it, get all the levers and everything set right before I totally button it up. That way I'm not like up and down with the bike on the lip. You'll see. Alright, got everything zip tied together all nice and neat. Stock hydraulic lines are routed correctly so that they don't get jacked up later down the road. Start buttoning everything back up and it'll be good to go. Alright, that's just loose because he wants the freight train style headlamp trim on, loosen the original equipment one, and then slide it on. It sounds easier than it really is. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Actually, it's not that bad. Alright, line up these turn signals with the, so they're actually facing forward, since they're not, and we'll take it for a test ride. Alright, and we're back. So, the Road King Special is easily my favorite bike in the last few years to come out. It's the precursor to all the specials that have come out in the last year. Came out in 2017, Milwaukee 8 engine, it's just sick. The only downside, straight from the factory, is a few different things, mostly trim stuff, like the shift rod is gross. I've talked about it in other videos where they just kind of missed the mark in a couple of spots, but they really messed up the handlebars. The stock handlebar position is, it just sets your wrist in a really weird spot. So this customer agreed, he wanted new ones. These bars are super wide though. I'm not real a big fan of this. I wish they were 90s, but you know, it is what it is. This is not too expensive of a handlebar job considering how expensive they can get. You know, you start putting in hydraulic lines and the labor to install them, it gets pretty steep. It's just a quick test ride today. We generally run 2, 5, 10 or 14 miles, or 7, yeah, 2, 5, 7, 14s, I don't know. We have specific routes we take so that if something were to happen, they know where to find us, which is a creepy thought. All in all though, I really like this bike, and this bike now is even better than, well, all the other ones. I really like what this guy is doing with it. Freight train headlight, you can see, gives a different profile up front. He did change out his shift rod because it looked all stupid, and black axle nut cover, you know, little pieces that really add to the blacked out look. That, you know, it is what it is. Harley can't do it all. I mean, there is a little bit of fun in customizing it to your own liking. So little by little this fellow's doing it. It's looking pretty sharp. Thing's got gobs of power, guys. Oh, I love the Milwaukee 8. Alright, that's pretty much the video today, guys. If you liked it, give it a big dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, and I do all sorts of Harley-Davidson videos. They're not all parts installed like this. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when I'm uploading. And I'll see y'all next time.